Taking apart your Defender 25, remove these screws, camera, then you remove these, then you remove these, and then you pull straight up, and then this is the inside. These connectors, these small ones, they're really hard to get to, and there's no room to get to them, so make sure you got a pair of pliers to pull them apart. This connection here is for the GoPro. Just remove the black and the red one and solder right into it, right to your GoPro connection leads. There's a small gap above the DJI camera for the wires. Sneak it right through there, plug right in. I prefer using the GoPro over the DJI 3. The stabilization is way better, but it flies pretty good.